ExoMars, the last outpost. With Earth-based views about to go dark, the mission to understand 3I/Atlas isn't over, it's just changing venues. The focus now shifts to Mars. For a brief period, a fleet of robotic orbiters will have the only front-row seat. The European Space Agency's Mars Express has its high-resolution stereo camera. The ExoMars Trace gas orbiter can sniff out faint gases. NASA's MAVEN, under principal investigator Shannon Curry, can use its imaging ultraviolet spectrograph to map outgassing and its plasma instruments to watch the solar winds slam into the comet's atmosphere. And the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, with its famously sharp high-rise camera, might even be able to resolve the nucleus itself. The key date is October 3rd, when 3I/Atlas flies within 28 million kilometers of Mars. It is an incredible stroke of luck to have so much advanced hardware in the right place at the right time. For weeks, instrument teams have been running simulations and booking precious observation time in a complex multi-agency effort. This is our last best chance to get close-up data before the comet swings around the sun and heads back into the interstellar void forever.